Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're going to learn about separable equation. For those watching for the first time, I'm Sasi. Watch, like, comment and subscribe. So solve the following variable separable equation. Part A, we have dy dx equal to 2x e raised to x squared. And part B, we have dy dx minus y dx is equal to dx. Let's start with part A. Solution. Part A, dy dx is equal to 2x e raised to x squared. Now, our first step, we should make sure that everything in terms of y is on the left side and everything in terms of x is on the right side. So since we don't have anything in terms of y apart from dy, this side will have dy over dx equal to 2x e raised to x squared. Then we integrate both sides with respect to dx. So we'll have integrate both sides with respect to dx. dx is equal to integrate for this side 2x e x squared dx. We notice that dx and dx simplifies. Therefore, on this side we have the integral of dy is equal to the integral of 2x e raised to x squared dx. Now let's solve the left side separately, and later on we'll solve the right side and we'll join the equation together. So let's start with the left side. Left side we have the integral of y. The integral of dy, coefficient is just 1. When we are integrating 1 with respect to dy, we have y. And on the right side, we have the integral of 2x e raised to x squared dx. We need to integrate the integral of 2x e raised to x squared dx. We can let t be equal to x squared. Let t be equal to x squared. Therefore, dt is equal to, when we differentiate x squared, we have 2x, 2 minus 1, which is just 1, dx. When we differentiate x squared, we have 2x dx. 2x dx, we have 2x dx. Therefore, 2x dx is dt. Now let us substitute. We have e raised to x squared. Our x squared now is t. Now we have e raised to t. 2x dx is dt. Therefore, dt. Integrating this, we have, remember the coefficient here is 1. So we'll have e raised to t over 1 plus c, which is simply e raised to t plus c. Let us do our equations. On the left side, remember we have y is equal to, on the right side, we have e raised to t plus c. But t is equal to x squared. Therefore, our y is equal to e raised to x squared plus c, and that's our final answer. We have solved part A. Now let us solve part B. If you have any question, you can write it down below in the comments. Let's solve part B. Part B, solution. Part B, we have dy minus y dx is equal to dx. Now our first step, since we have dx and dx, we can therefore we have dy equal to negative y dx. When it crosses the equal signs, the negatives becomes a positive. Therefore we have dx plus y dx. We have just crossed negative y dx to the other side. Since you have dx and dx, you can factor out dx. Therefore we have dy is equal to dx into 1 plus y. Our next step, we should make sure that everything on the left side is in terms of y and everything on the right side is in terms of x. We'll just multiply across by 1 over 1 plus y. This side by 1 over 1 plus y. Since you already have the x here, we'll just introduce the integral. So this one simplifies in this one. On this side, we have 1 over 1 plus y dy is, we can simply write dy over 1 plus y is equal to this side we have dx. Then we just introduce the integrals. Now let's find the integral of the left side separately, and later on we find the integral of the right side, then we'll join the equations. So let's take the left side. We have the integral of dy over 1 plus y. The integral of dy over 1 plus y is simply ln of 1 plus y. But let's solve it. We can let u be equal to 1 plus y. Therefore, du dy is equal to, this one is 0 and this one is 1. Therefore, du is simply dy. We can substitute. We have the integral. Our dy is du. 1 plus y is u. This is the same as 1 over u du. The integral of 1 over u is simply ln absolute u. And our u is 1 plus y. Therefore, we have ln absolute 1 plus y. That's the integral of the left side. Right side, we have the integral of the x. It's 1 dx. The coefficient is 1. Now the integral of 1 with respect to the x is simply x plus c. We add c on the left, on the right integral, but not the left. Now let's join our equation together. We have ln absolute 1 plus y is equal to x plus c. We can introduce exponential on both sides. Therefore, we have exponential raised to ln absolute 1 plus y is equal to exponential c. But e raised to x plus c, e raised to x plus c is the same as e raised to x times e raised to c. Product rule. Therefore, we have e raised to ln absolute 1 plus y is equal to e raised to x times e raised to c. Exponential and ln simplifies, therefore remain 1 plus y is equal to a e raised to x, where a is equal to e raised to c. Therefore, y is equal to a e raised to x. When 1 crosses the equal signs, it becomes minus 1. And that's our final answer. Thank you for watching. Comment when you have any question below. Subscribe.